Okay, you guys are probably gonna think I'm crazy or something, but I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna add some MicroGreene. I'm gonna add some RGS, some Humic 12, and some water. And then I'm gonna apply it using that. I have my backpack sprayer, but I don't feel like carrying a backpack sprayer. So I'm gonna do, I don't know, I think I'm just gonna do like 6 ounces of each, put it in here. So here it goes. Don't hate me doing this. You know, I forgot to shake this. Alright, some RGS. That looks like 6 ounces. Alright. Got a little sidetracked there. Close enough. Okay, there it is. Fill it up there with water. that I got everything wet. Let's take a look at that yard, that grass. Ow! So, take a look at the yard, folks. We mowed it, did some line trimming, blowed it off. I took out rosemary. That kind of hurt a little bit. I was gonna put down DiseaseEx, but I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to do that. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to put down the DiseaseEx because I just threw down a little cocktail of some RGS, MicroGreene, and what else do I have? MicroGreene, RGS, and Humic 12. So I threw down that little cocktail for the heck of it. Look back there. I think it's better. We'll find out tomorrow. Come out here in the morning. Do a quick little update for y'all. Cheers, people.